Okay, so good morning, all of you boys. This is our fifth part of this running topic, and in last four topics we had completed half topic, that is the heredity. Okay, and now we have to complete the remaining part of this topic, that is the evolution. Okay, so let us consider various examples of the evolution. So before going to this, first of all we should know what is the evolution. Evolution is a slow process. Slow. How evolution is a slow process? ये कोई 2 दिन में, 4 दिन में, 8 दिन में, 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 1 साल, 2 साल, 10 साल, इसमें होने वाली प्रोसेस नहीं है. It requires millions of years. एक आध एग्जाम्पल, one most important examples of the evolution, how it is slow process. One example, that is a neck of giraffe. Whatever the giraffe, original giraffe, they are deer shaped. They have deer shape. At that time, shrub, bushes are present. डियर को क्या होना खाने के लिए? श्रब, बुशेस. लेकिन कई दिनों के बाद such area becomes desert, and that's why what's happened here? Due to the desert, the bushes and shrubs, they get lost, and in the deserts, high plants now grow. But whatever the actual giraffe, they are the deer shaped. Now some giraffe, that is the deer shaped giraffe, try to eat their foods, but they does not eat. Why? Because neck of giraffe is very short. At that time, this deer shaped giraffe try to extend their neck, stretch their neck continuously. They use their neck continuously to eat the leaves of such plants. It means they use their necks continuously, and they adopt their surroundings. And due to the adaptation, whatever the short-necked deer-shaped giraffe continuously, due to stretching of the neck, such a gradual change. So the change is called as the gradual change. And due to the gradual changes, whatever the neck of giraffe, it becomes long. And now giraffe totally depends upon the trees. It requires more time. A lot of time is required to extend their neck. This is one example. It means whatever the changes which should be takes place time to time, that is the evolution. It means changes takes place time to time. This is one example where neck of giraffe is extended. Now, whatever the changes we should take place time to time. That is the next example. Limbs of snake. Means snakes have limbs in olden times, but you know that the snake lives in the holes, but the limbs of snakes becomes distant with the snakes. That's why these limbs does not used by snake, and ultimately limbs may get loosened by snake. It also requires more time. Such change is called as a gradual change. Continuous change takes place time to time, and that's why one form of animal, one form of an organism converts into another form due to the gradual change. That is called as the evolution. Means whatever the gradual change takes place in an organism time to time, and due to that one form of an organism converts into another form. That is called as the evolution. Okay, so we have to discuss two more examples here, but we have to see these examples left. Okay, now we should know types of the evolution. Generally, evolution are of two types. First type of evolution, that is the origin of the life and evolution of life. Origin of life and evolution of life. तो इवोल्यूशन देखने के पहले हमें ओरिजिन ऑफ लाइफ देखना जरूरी है, बाद में इवोल्यूशन ऑफ लाइफ. दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ 10th. बट बिफोर गोइंग टू लर्न about the evolution of the life, you should know what is about the origin of life. The origin of life हमें नहीं है, तभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे how life is originated, okay, and how it should be evolved. Okay, one theory is given into our book, and that theory is called as Big Bang theory. Okay, so let us see more details about Big Bang theory. Big Bang, क्या होता है Big Bang? Okay, now we have to discuss here. Big Bang theory. नाम से हमें पता चलता है व्हाट इज बिग बैंग थ्योरी. बिग यानी बड़ा, ओके, बड़ा. बैंग, बैंग एन एक्सप्लोजन. इसका मतलब ये है कि दिस थ्योरी गिव्स अ डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द एक्सप्लोजन. एक्सप्लोजन एक महाभयानक विस्फोट, महाविस्फोट. ये थ्योरी में हमें इसकी जानकारी मिली है. महास्फोट कैसा हो गया? यू नो दैट वी ऑल आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ. हम अभी कहाँ पे हैं? अर्थ पे है. वी ऑल आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द अर्थ. सपोज दैट This is the Earth. Earth is nothing but suppose that one dot like this. This is Earth, and Earth is present in the universe. This is the universe, but no one should know how universe is formed, how universe is evolved. If how our Earth is evolved, if we have to discuss, we should know how this universe is evolved. So let us talk something about the evolution of the universe. यूनिवर्स का निर्माण कैसा होता है यह हमें देखना है पहले. This is the Earth, this is the universe, and this universe is made up from billions of galaxies. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and likewise billions of galaxies are present. Or our universe is made up from billions of galaxies. ब्रह्मांड जिसे हम कहते हैं ब्रह्मांड, ब्रह्मांड कहाँ से बना है? गैलेक्सी से बना है. How much galaxies are there? Billions of galaxies are there. Among that, Earth is a galaxy. Earth is nothing but a galaxy. This is a Earth. Earth is nothing but a galaxy. You know that? It is also called as Akashaganga. Akashaganga. Milky Way, it is also called as a Milky Way. Galaxy of the Earth is called as Akashaganga. It is also called as a Milky Way. It means what? It means universe is made up of, this is the universe, and universe is made up of from number of or billions of galaxies. मीन्स कई गैलेक्सी से यूनिवर्स बना है. हमने अभी भी देखा है. दिस इज द अर्थ. अर्थ इज अ गैलेक्सी. Such a type of number of galaxies are included in the universe. Among them, Earth is one galaxy that is called as Akashganga. It is also called as a Milky Way. Okay, it means universe is made up from billions of the galaxies, and galaxy. What is galaxy? This one galaxy, this is the Earth, is the one galaxy. You know that Earth have planets, Earth have stars, Earth have so many heavenly bodies. It means galaxy have planets, stars, and clouds of gaseous, and dust. इसका मतलब ये है कि गैलेक्सी में क्या क्या है? गैलेक्सी में प्लैनेट्स है, स्टार्स है, क्लाउड्स ऑफ गैसेस एंड डस्ट. नाउ अगेन आई विल रिपीट दिस. दिस इज द अर्थ, like a dot like structure. Earth is the one Milky Way. Akashganga, it is also called as a galaxy. It is the one galaxy. Okay, Earth is a galaxy. Such a type of billions of galaxies are there in the universe. Which universe is made up from billions of galaxies. Now each galaxy, like the Earth, you know that Earth have planets, stars, so many heavenly bodies are there. Like that, each and every galaxy have planets, stars, clouds of gases and dust. Okay, now what's happening actually here? in the Big Bang theory. Okay. Now, various theories are there. Among that, this one good theory, that is the Big Bang theory, explains that our Earth is like a whole. Earth is nothing but our whole. And universe is made up from such galaxies, just we have discussed here. Okay. What's happened? Whatever the dot-like structure, this dot-like structure, thermodynamic explosions takes place here. What happened? Thermodynamic explosion takes place in the condensed whole. Means according to this Big Bang theory, universe is made up from a small condensed whole. This is the small condensed whole. Small condensed whole. Means this is the universe, and this universe is made up from small condensed whole. This is the small condensed whole, and in this small condensed whole, thermodynamic explosions takes place, and due to thermodynamic explosions, what's happened? Small particles, they may scattered everywhere due to the explosion, and that's why due to the explosion, whatever the small particles, whatever the scattered everywhere, it means expansion takes place. Expansion, it means in the volume becomes more. Due to expansion, volume of the whole, that it becomes large, and due to expansion in volume, again what's happened? Temperature get lost. इसका मतलब ये है कि our universe is made up from small condensed whole, and thermodynamic explosions takes place in the small condensed whole, and due to thermodynamic explosions, whatever the small particle is scattered everywhere, and due to this expansion in the volume takes place, ultimately size big हो गया, and due to expansion in the volume, temperature get lost. इसका मतलब temperature कम हो गया, and that's why what's happened here? That's why various gases may evolve. Various gases evolve. Gases तैयार हो गए gases, and that's why due to expansion, due to low temperature, gases evolve. Which are these gases? These gases are hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium, ये दो गैस आ गए, and then due to combination of these H2 and helium, hydrogen and helium, due to gravitation, hydrogen and helium, they get condensed to form clouds. It means what's happened here? It means hydrogen and helium combines to form clouds. Okay, and then whatever the clouds, they becomes flat, disc-shaped. That disc-shaped flat clouds are called as a nebula, and that nebula is the center of the earth. That is called as the sun, and you know that sun is very hot. What is the actual reason sun is very hot? Because at the time of the evolution, whatever the thermodynamic explosions which should be takes place in the small condensed hole, expansion in the volume takes place. At that time, size बड़ा होने के कारण temperature get lost and gases evolve. Whatever the gases, that is H2 and helium, due to the condensation of helium and hydrogen clouds are formed, and whatever the clouds, they become flat disk shape, that is called as a nebula. Nebula is the center of the this condensed row, that is called as sun, and so sun is very hot. Okay, so small particles, this was present in this, they are present in the form of atoms, they are present in the form of elements, they are also present in organic and inorganic forms, and all heavenly bodies and many solar atoms, that is called as a solar system, and then it means solar system is formed. Okay, this is all about the Big Bang theory.